I bought this jacket last week, but the zipper's already stuck. It keeps getting jammed halfway. Any chance I could swap it out for another one?
Ah, that's the worst. Yeah, we can do that for you. Do you have the receipt on you?
Yeah, it's right here.
The phrase, any chance I could, is a very natural way to ask for something politely. It sounds soft and friendly. For example, any chance I could get a refund? Or any chance you could print another copy for me? And swap it out means replace it with another one. For instance, I swapped out my old keyboard for a new one. It's casual and common in stores or offices.
You're still within the 30-day return window, so you're good. Let me just run it through the system. If we've got your size, you can grab a new one right away.
Perfect. If you don't, can you just credit it back to my card instead?
Sure thing.
Return window refers to the period during which you can return something. For example, our return window is 30 days. Or, sorry, that's outside our return window. And run it through the system means process it on the computer. For example, let me run your payment through. Or, I'll run the refund through real quick.
By the way, the zipper's not just stuck, it's actually busted. It jammed the first day I wore it.
Jammed means something is blocked and can't move. For example, my printer's jammed again. Or, we got jammed in traffic for an hour. People often confuse it with stuck. Stuck is more general, but jammed usually means a part or machine is caught or blocked. Busted means broken. It's casual and friendly. For instance, my phone charger's busted. If you want a polite version, use defective. For example, the product came defective, so they replaced it.
Yeah, looks like a defective batch. We've had a few come back like that. If you'd rather, we can give you store credit instead of a refund.
Store credit's fine. I'll probably end up spending it here anyway.
Store credit means the store gives you the same amount to spend later instead of cash. For instance, they didn't give me a refund, but they offered store credit. You'll hear that all the time in U.S. stores.
Thanks for helping. You've been really nice about it.
No worries at all. We'll sort it out for you. You'll get a message once the refund goes through.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too.
We'll sort it out means we'll fix it or handle it. For example, don't worry about the problem. We'll sort it out. And appreciate it is the natural, shorter way to say thank you. For instance, really appreciate your time or appreciate the help. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Today we learned how to sound natural when returning or exchanging something. When a product is busted or defective, like a zipper that's jammed, you take it back within the store's return window. You can ask politely, "Any chance I could swap it out?" The store will run it through the system, and they'll sort it out for you, either crediting the money back to your card or offering store credit if you prefer. These are the real phrases you'll hear in every store. Short, polite, and professional.
Excellent progress. You've reached the end of today's lesson. But remember, fluency doesn't come from watching once. It comes from repeating. Every time you review, the English gets stronger in your mind. If you want to keep going, check out our other lessons. They'll connect perfectly with what you learned today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for learning with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.